Today I'm keeping it simple by just getting a few things done off of my list. So hopefully this still motivates you to get up and get one or two things done. I filmed this on a Saturday and I just did not feel like doing the most. I'm gonna start the morning off by making my bed like I always do, and then I'm gonna fold a small load of laundry. We're gonna fast forward in the day to where I'm gonna pick up the kitchen, and I'm gonna be using some new cleaning products by a company called Blueland. They make all of their cleaning products using only clean ingredients. So if you're into stuff like that, you guys are gonna want to check Blueland out. So let's get started.
We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa.
Even on days when I don't feel like doing the most, I do try to put one load of laundry in the washing machine, or if I have something that's already dried, I try to get that and fold it and put it away. You don't have to do everything in one day. One little thing a day is enough.
I want it, I need it, I'm on it, I'm on it. Are you the same? Are you the same?
In 2022, I want to incorporate some safe cleaning products into my routine, so Blueland came at the right time. Thank you so much to Blueland for sponsoring this portion of my video. If you haven't heard about Blueland, their products are effective, convenient, safe for use, affordable, and sourced from clean ingredients. So there's a bunch of different kits to choose from on the website, but I got the Clean Essentials kit, which comes with a glass and mirror cleaner, a multi-surface cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, and a really nice glass bottle that is for your foaming hand soap. So all you do is fill your bottles with warm to hot water, you drop in a tablet, wait for it to dissolve, and then you can start to use it. So instead of buying individual cleaning products or hand soap, if you get a kit, you already get a 20% savings, plus I have a code for you to save an extra 20% off. So you would normally pay maybe $5 to $6 for a bottle of cleaner and maybe even a hand soap, but with Blueland, you're paying $2 a tablet. They all smell really good, and the bottles are a really nice size, so it'll last you for a long time. The kids just finished playing with some kinetic sand, so I'm gonna clear the table and I'm gonna use the multi-surface spray to wipe it down. If you want to try Blueland out for yourself, all you have to do is click the link in my bio to get 20% off your first kit. You guys are not going to want to miss this. They don't go on sale often. And if you want to know where Blueland is shipping, not only are they shipping to the US, but now they're shipping to the UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. Alright, for dinner tonight, I'm going to be making a type of one pan ground beef, broccoli, cheddar cheese type situation. It is so good. You guys are going to want to try this one out. Not only was it good, but I already had all the ingredients to make this recipe. You're going to need chili powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, cumin, cayenne pepper, and white pepper. And then you're going to need 1 pound of steamed broccoli, some cheddar cheese, some sour cream, bacon, and your choice of ground meat. I used ground beef this time. Alright, we're going to start off by cooking our bacon. You can definitely speed this recipe up by having some already made bacon bits, but I like to do it myself. It tastes a little bit better this way. So you're going to chop up your bacon, we're going to cook it, and then we're going to set it to the side. Once your bacon is cooked and set to the side, you're gonna add 2 pounds of ground beef. And once my ground beef was cooked, I went ahead and drained it and added it back to the pan, and I added all of my seasonings in. Once your seasonings are in there, go ahead and add your 1 pound of already steamed broccoli. You're gonna add your cheese, your sour cream, your bacon, and you're gonna mix it all together, and you're finished. I served this with rice, and it was a huge hit in our house. I'm definitely gonna be making this again.
Wait up, ain't got no time for that. I've stayed up, I was hoping that you would change your ways. Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak, I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real, my love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning, I hate when you leave me, I hate when I'm lonely, yeah. Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you, if I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Hold on, I think I'm losing it. Come on, I'm telling you, I think we should slow it down. Cold out when you turn your back on me. Feels like we've reached the point of no return now. I don't know how you got me weak, I should leave this to give. Your body's calling me for real, my love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning, I hate when you leave me, I hate when I'm lonely, yeah. Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you, if I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me, they got me moving forward. And all of the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really, oh, special when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in, don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep, don't want to break this. Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you, if I lose you, I would not know what to do. So baby, won't you trust me? Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you, if I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
The kitchen is clean and shut down for tonight. We're gonna be making some vanilla chai tea, hanging out on our back patio and relaxing. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.